Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we both will be playing a game called Truth or Drink, जिसमें हम एक दूसरे को 5 each questions पूछेंगे और एक एक ड्रिंक लेंगे अगर वो क्वेश्चन हम लोग नहीं बताना चाहते हैं तो।
कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा गया और उसका हम आंसर नहीं दे पा रहे हैं तो वी हैव टू ड्रिंक ईदर सोया सॉस, टोमेटो केचप या फिर विनेगर। एंड लास्ट में एक राउंड रहेगा फॉर कोका कोला which is like
to compensate the other drinks, the other bitter drinks. So let's get started. Okay, so first question I am going to ask you is, what is the first thing that would make you swipe right?
like on a Tinder.
Yeah, like those apps, basically dating apps.
See, I will be actually reading that bio because looks matter करता है बट या उतना नहीं, तो आई एल सी कि कॉमन क्या क्या है एंड अगर उसमें नो इट इज़ ही इज़ अ सिंगर देन आई माइट लाइक जस्ट स्वाइप राइट.
Okay, good. Now your turn.
ओके, what is the first thing you will do if you become invisible?
Okay, if I get invisible, I think the first thing that comes in my mind is like I want to do anything and everything like which is very fun and which I can't do in front of people just due to societal pressure and I think
People can judge
and
so the things that you would
Yeah.
like so that people don't judge.
which I haven't done and I want to do
Yeah.
like behind people. So yeah,
So
that's
nice. This is such a good thing. Like,
yeah.
even I'll do that if I get it for someday.
Okay, so my turn, and I'll ask like if you could hire someone to do one thing for you, what would it be?
कोई भी काम. Like,
हाँ,
it can be
it can be
anything.
anything, yeah.
मुझे कोई ऐसा चाहिए जो मेरे घर में झाड़ू पोछा कुकिंग रोज कर दे बिना किसी छुट्टी के.
I think it's only one, मतलब कोई एक काम होगा शायद.
Then it's cooking.
Okay, okay, great. Even मेरे लिए तो like सब कुछ ही कर दे. Same goes for me as well. मेरा काम मेरा ऑफिस का काम तक
But
कर
no,
दे.
actually I'm a big time foodie and मुझे चाहिए होता है कि यार अच्छा अच्छा खाना मिले.
Yeah.
तो तो दैट इज लाइक कि हाँ बट दैट शुड बी अ प्रॉपर शेफ. ओके, कि कोई भी रद्दी बना के दे रहा नहीं. आई
हाँ, like proper. It should be a normal. Like it should be eatable. Not
Yeah.
like you have to throw it or
Yeah.
barf on it. Yeah. Cool. So next question, yours.
Okay, my turn. Okay, now tell me one of your embarrassing vomit story.
Okay, I'll drink for that. So guys, I'm having this soya sauce as you can see, and here is my glass. I'll drink to that.
Oh, I'm feeling bad. Yeah.
Shut up.
Oh God. Tell me how it tastes.
I don't know.
Oh, it stinks though. I can. Oh no! Shit.
God.
You need water?
Yeah, please pass on the water.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Even your turn will come. Don't worry.
Now I am scared.
It doesn't taste that bad also, but like it's cool, like it's manageable, I'll say. Okay, so the next question would be, what is the one mannerism you judge all potential partners on?
I don't think there is one. Like, I don't judge generally. But yeah, they should be clean and like hygienic. If somebody is not hygienic, then they are not worth being with me at least. Because in most of the cases, I am a bit OCD'd about cleanliness.
Okay, yeah, even for me as well, like I want someone or I want to be with someone who is hygienic, not like unhygienic people.
No, means it's
Like,
not like that room should be clean and
Yeah, no, I'm talking
squeaky
about
clean.
the person. Yeah,
But
correct.
that person should be.
It should be
Like personal hygiene.
Yeah, personal hygiene should be maintained.
Okay, the next question is, what is the dirtiest text you have ever received, like in Insta or social media?
Okay, you're tricking me to drink again, right?
Not really. Like, I'm pretty sure every girl has got.
Yeah, obviously,
because
but that can't
some
be
people are so
shared
nasty.
in the camera. Yeah, so I
That-
have to drink with.
Oh,
Okay, guys, this time I'm going with ketchup. थोड़ा सा ही है.
oh God, it's so thick.
I don't know how we like it. Fine.
I'm sorry, guys.
She is feeling bad for me.
Yeah, I am feeling bad. Yeah. Oh God.
तुझे पता है इसमें पहले से वो
सोया
सॉस भी था.
It
I
is
mean,
like
उसका
again.
mixture okay, it's like the worst thing ever.
ये मैगी में होता तो you guys, I'm telling you, बहुत better taste करता, but
हम लोग
sadly.
ऐसे ही खा लिए. Oh God. Okay, bye. Next question. Okay, so this time it would be a little kind of spicy question.
Okay, like now it's.
I hope you
am gonna.
answer it.
Means now you're gonna make me drink. I'm
Yeah, of
getting
course,
it.
I am
can
drinking
see.
so many
I can
times.
see that devil smile.
Yeah.
Okay,
So-
shoot. Oh, okay. This is quite personal. Okay, I am not answering this.
So you can drink.
Yeah.
I was waiting for this.
Oh God.
To show
For
them.
me, it's vinegar.
Oh God,
Guys.
I never had vinegar.
And it stinks, I know. Okay, hold it. Oh God.
You can, come on. How does it taste? You need water?
No, actually, it is
Fine.
like lemon. So, अब देखो ये spicy पूछ रही ना, मैं अभी पूछूंगी अब. Okay, tell me which one movie always turns you on? Like, is there any specific movie?
Yeah, I usually watch it like a couple of times, like not like every day, like randomly
Guys,
watch
she is
कर
talking
लेती हूँ.
about you know ना. आप लोगों को पता है ना, आप लोगों को समझ आ रहा है ना.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. Just I love the scenes, the romance also I love in that. That's the reason. And it is 365 days. That's it.
Oh,
Yeah.
You know guys, मुझे कुछ और लग रहा था.
And-
But ठीक है.
And I
365
like
days is
the
good.
actor Michelle. So that's one of the
Even-
reason of watching the movie.
Even अगर हम ऐसी बात करें ना तो even I just love that movie, 50 Shades of Grey. Not 365 days, but I love 50 Shades of Grey.
Yeah, even that's a good movie
Yeah.
to watch. So my turn, I guess.
Okay.
So next question will be, what is the biggest secret you have kept from your parents when you were growing up?
Okay. See, growing up, I was a very good girl, like good typical Indian girl, जो you know कुछ गलत नहीं करती है. But yeah, after
I
a
agree
while,
on that.
like after my BTech actually, I met so many people and I start clubbing and having parties. And ये भी रहती है मेरे साथ कभी कभी. So घर वाले अगर देख रहे हैं तो
तो हम दोनों को मार मिलेगा अच्छे से. क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं जब पब्स वगैरह जाते हैं, जब क्लबिंग करते हैं. लाइक वी वुड टेल देम दैट वी आर गोइंग आउटसाइड.
नहीं, मेरे साथ जनरली ऐसा होता है कि मैं बोलती हूँ कि पापा मैं ना रेस्टोरेंट जा रही हूँ, आ जाएंगे 10-11 बजे
या
तक.
सेम. नॉट लाइक वी डोंट मेंशन कि हम लोग क्लबिंग करने जा रहे
हाँ.
हैं. So that would be creating a big mess over
Mess,
here.
yeah.
That's it. Hi guys, so last में हम लोग ये पी रहे हैं just to compensate all the other bitter drinks we just had. ये
Cheers.
कोक है और कुछ नहीं. थोड़ा सा टेस्ट बड को थोड़ा अच्छा फील कराने के लिए.
Obviously guys.
We had a lot of fun.
Fun.
Especially I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, and I enjoyed it too.
Yeah.
And अगर आपको भी मज़ा आया हो तो do
Subscribe my channel and her channel. I will link her channel in the description box below. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Sometimes once and sometimes it's more than a month. It depends.
More than a month?
Yeah.
এতক্ষণ চলেনি একবার চলছে.
হ্যাঁ, এত সুন্দর হাসলাম আমরা.